we are going to solve a problem for energy and or power of a signal, and based on that we will determine whether the given signal is energy signal, power signal, or neither energy nor power signal. So the signal given over here is like this. X of n equals 3 upon 5 raised to n u of n minus 4 raised to n u of minus n minus 1. Now we need to find out how the signal is looking like in order to get energy and power of the signal. So let's plot this x of n against n. So whenever I say u of n is there, u of n exists from 0 to infinity. So at that time this sequence exists. So for n equal to 0, this is having a value 3 by 5 raised to 0, which is 1. So I will get a signal like this. This will be 1, and then as per increase in the value of n, we will have a signal which is of a decreasing nature. Which we call as a converging signal, because as n tend to infinity, this signal tend to 0. Now minus n minus 1. For this, I will have a signal only present for negative values of n, but the limits will be minus infinity to minus 1. Meaning, suppose I want to take a signal for n equal to minus 1. So for n equal to minus 1, this does not exist. As we said earlier, u of n is available only from 0 to infinity. So for n equal to minus 1, this won't be there. So 0 minus, if I put n equal to minus 1, this is 1 by 4, which is 4 inverse, 4 raised to minus 1, which is 1 by 4. And u of minus n minus 1 will have the value equal to 1, just like u of n, but it exists for negative integers. So n equal to minus 1, in the end I will get this as minus 1 by 4. Why? Because 0 minus this term, so it is minus 1 upon 4. Next we have to get n equal to 2. So for n equal to, next we have to get for n equal to minus 2. So minus 2 means 4 raised to minus 2, which is 1 by 16. In the end it is minus 1 by 16. So we will get like this. The thing is that in the negative values of n in this region, even the signal is converging 1. So this is x of n. We have just plotted this. Now let's find out its energy and power. So the energy of signal is given by E infinity equals summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n square. Now, because of this u of n and u of minus n minus 1, I can have for n equal to 0 to infinity, only this signal will exist, and square of that will be 3 by 5 raised to n whole square. And in second half, the signal exists over here will be like this: minus summation n equal to minus infinity to minus 1. This term will become 1 during minus infinity to minus 1, and signal will have the value 4 raised to n square. Now we have to solve these two summations in order to get answer. So E infinity equals summation n equal to 0 to infinity, and it is 9 by 25 raised to n minus summation n equal to minus infinity to minus 1, it is 16 raised to n. So this, if I write a sequence, so I will do one thing. This E infinity, I will consider algebraic sum of two energies, E1 and E2, where E1 equals summation n equal to 0 to infinity 9 upon 25 raised to n, which series can be written as 1 plus 9 by 25 plus 9 by 25 square, and go on. So E1 in the end will be 1 upon 1 minus 9 upon 25. It is the algebraic sum of the terms which are in geometric progression given by 1 upon 1 minus r, where r is the ratio of two subsequent terms. So over here the ratio of two subsequent terms is 9 by 25. So finally I will get answer 25 upon 25 minus 9, which is 16. So I will get answer 25 by 16 as energy 1. Now for energy 2, E2, nothing but summation n from minus infinity to minus 1, 16 raised to n. Normally we have summation of positive numbers. So we'll do one thing. This negative index will convert into a positive 1 just by putting n with some other number but with a opposite sign. So if I put n equal to minus m, now m will have the values from 1 to infinity. So if I do this adjustment to the summation, energy 2 will become summation m equal to 1 to infinity 16 raised to minus n. So basically it is summation m equal to 1 to infinity 16 inverse is 1 by 16 raised to m. So this is also a sequence which is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 square. Likewise. So what I will do, I will take the 1 by 16 common, in bracket I will get a sequence 1 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 square, and so on. So these are the terms in geometric progression, whose summation is given as 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 16. So in the end, answer will be 1 by 16 into 16 upon 15. 16 gets cancelled, and in the end, energy 2 will be 1 by 15. So we got the energy 1 as 25 by 16 and energy 2 as 1 by 15. In the end, E infinity will be 25 by 16 minus 1 by 15. So if you solve this, you will get E infinity as 25 multiplied by 15 minus 16 upon 16 multiplied by 15. So if we solve this, we will get E infinity as 359 upon 240. Don't concentrate on what is the number we are getting. Just understand that the energy we are getting over here is a finite number. Hence, the given signal is an energy signal. So in this problem, what we have done, there is a combination of signals from minus infinity to infinity, and for that problem we solve for the energy of a signal which is coming finite. Hence the signal is an energy signal. One thing you have to keep in mind is that whether it is a sequence from 0 to infinity, or minus infinity to minus 1, or minus infinity to infinity, the signal needs to be converged 1 in order to prove it is a energy signal. Thank you.